Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Socially Bearded, and happy Sunday. You guys know what Sunday means. It is time for a shave video, shave content of some kind. Today, actually, I think I found a hidden gem, so to speak. This right here, so this is Omega, and this is a kit. It's got a brush, a soap, and a brush stand. And so Omega's, they're pretty famous for brushes. They have some really nice brushes out there. Synthetic brushes, badger brushes. Evidently they have boar brushes. I didn't know that till I actually seen this. The really cool thing about it was this kit was only $18. I picked it up at the razor company, and you know what happens once you pass $10 with the razor company, you get it free shipping. So I seen that and I was like, wow. You know what? For $18, a soap, or technically it's a shaving cream, you know, a soap, a brush, and a stand, I'm gonna definitely try that. And actually, my buddy Johnny Grooms, I told him about it. I showed him the box, and he instantly ordered it. So to save a little bit of time, I've already kind of worked the lather a little bit. What's really funny about this soap is, I keep calling it a soap. It's called a shaving cream. It's really spongy. Like it's hard as a rock, but if you stick your finger in it, it feels like a sponge, like a really hard sponge. So I was a little leery of it at first whenever I scraped some out and put it in my bowl. But I tell you what, I just put a little bit in there. I mean, the tiniest little bit. And I can't get enough water to it. I've added water to this probably 5 times, and I mean, I put like the size of a quarter and not much thicker, and I mean, it's making all kinds of lather. I'm actually going to add a little bit more water right now. But so we are going with the brush and the soap together, or the cream. Again, I said soap. Used to saying soap. When something's in a tub like that, I just call it a soap. We'll just call it a soap. How about that? But I mean, it is just thick and gooey. It actually seems pretty nice. It doesn't have much scent. I think it's supposed to be eucalyptus scent. It does have eucalyptus oil in it down there towards the bottom, and I don't even know if that's meant as some kind of a benefit to your skin or if it's meant to add fragrance to it. I might get a little bit of eucalyptus out of it, but I don't get much. But again, we're not for $18 for both these things. We're not gonna cry about it if it don't. See, that could still use some more water. We're gonna go ahead and stop there, and we'll just add some water to the head. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get right to it. Our razor for today, we're going to go ahead and go with the leaf this time. I filleted myself pretty good with the DE the other day. Just poor technique, really. So we're going to go ahead and go with the leaf. You can probably see the cuts there. So we're gonna shave with the leaf until that's healed up properly, and then we will resume testing with DEs and stuff like that. I did pick up a Muley R101 DE razor from the razor company. They actually had it on sale, so I went ahead and picked that up along with this kit and some other things. Got some other soaps that we're gonna kind of feature. Just the tiniest little bit of pre-shave there. Got water dripping to my eyes. All right, let's see what it's all about. Wow. Oh, I didn't even say what kind of brush this is. This is actually a boar hair brush, and I have never used a boar hair brush before, and so I know this isn't broken in at all, but even the way it sets right now, it actually seems to work really well. I dropped it. And now my handle is slick. Let's go ahead and clean that up there. There we go. Man, I'm telling you, very rarely do I have too much lather to work with. And I am telling you right now, I am having that problem. Golly, I've got it in my beard and everything. I don't want that in my beard. Because technically it does have soap in it, and not gentle soap. And I'm telling you, I've just got too much lather down there. I've got enough lather to do 40 head shaves. I would almost be willing to bet that that shaving cream or that shaving soap right there is meant to be lathered in the bowl with this brush. This is a pretty, uh-oh, we have one that fell out there. That's okay. The natural hair, that kind of happens, so we won't fault them for that, just like I said, because it does happen. You'll lose a hair or two here and there. As long as we don't lose 40 or 50 or even 10 or 20, we'll be okay. I'll tell you what, guys, this feels really, really nice. It's going on nice and thick, feels very slick. But I gotta say, I mean, I've got plenty of it. Gloop. So I don't know how to use much less than what I use, to be quite honest with you. I mean, I didn't hardly use any at all. So that's why it kind of gives me the notion that you should probably just shave it, or shave it. You should probably just lather it right in the bowl. Probably don't need to dig it out of there and put it into a shave bowl. Probably just need to load your brush up and go straight to the head. Alright, so I will quit yapping and we will get underway. Okay, so far, really, really nice slickness. This is a vegan soap. No tallow, no fats, no anything like that. But it's actually provided a really, really slick shave, really comfortable shave. I don't feel any irritation yet. Like I said, good coverage. I do wish there was some more scent to it. You know, that's half the fun of this hobby, is all the different, all the different fragrances and scents and stuff. So we're gonna be real careful right back here where I cut myself. Okay, that was pass number one. And I gotta say, really nice, really nice. For when you get something that's got more than one piece to it, a brush, a stand, a soap for 18 bucks, you're gonna be a little leery. You're gonna be a little skeptical. But I can tell you that I have found, okay, so I found two products for a very low price in the last month. And I've actually got them both from the razor company. One is this soap and this brush. So let's say $9 an item. So $9 for the brush and stand, $9 for the soap. And then I found the Palmolive shave cream for about $8, seven something like that. Those are gonna be two of my most used products pretty easily, and I found both of them for less than $10. So don't ever let anybody tell you, you gotta have a $20 soap or a soap that's $5 an ounce or even $4 an ounce. This is 5.28 ounces is what this is, and for roughly $9, so it's very cheap. So I would, you know, just anytime you see something with a low price right there, just either pick it up and try it, or at least read into it and kind of see, you know, hey, is this going to be for me? You know, do I think that, do the ingredients look right? You know, why is it so cheap? But at the same time, will it do its job? Because I really think that, you know, that could be a determining factor just by looking at the ingredients. I can kind of tell you, you know, hey, this is really similar to this, or it's really similar to that. And, you know, you could really find a hidden gem like what I just found, you know, for next to nothing, really. So let's re-wet the head here. I don't feel much that missed. We'll go a little bit there just for the sake of doing it. Guys, I'm telling you, it works. It works good. I can't wait till my buddy Johnny gets his. I'm really curious to know his thoughts. I really think he's gonna like this. Johnny, if you watch this, man, I hope you like this, but I almost can't see how you won't like it. This works really well. That's it. It's even got quite a bit of residual slickness. Not as much residual slickness as a tallow soap, but it is certainly slick enough to hit a couple of missed spots. So another thing, guys, I'm not gonna necessarily phase out shave product reviews, but I'm gonna kind of more showcase them than review them. At the end of the video, I'm not gonna say, you know, I'm not gonna point out a bunch of stuff and say I 100% recommend this. You know, there's so many shave products out there, and I have found that any shave product generally that is anything along the lines of a traditional or wet shaving product is gonna work. It's gonna do its job. Is there junk out there? I'm sure there's bad individual pieces, but as a whole line of something, I mean, I think it's all been around long enough where most of the kinks have been worked out. I mean, could there be something new that's been released that needs to be fixed or worked on or improved upon? Sure. But most anything you're gonna see on this channel is gonna work. It's gonna do its job. So really, we're gonna kind of highlight and showcase more than review. You'll still hear me say, you know, I definitely recommend you picking this up, you know, but I'm gonna try to do it a little less review format and just kind of do a, you know, like a shave of the day video or something like that, you know, and just kind of show you guys the different products. So, but yeah, that's that. I mean, if you're frugal, if you're a tightwad, and you want what I think is a good brush and a really good soap or shave cream, check it out. Like I said, it was $17.99. Even if it was just okay, it's still worth $17.99. You know, but it done a really good job for me. So, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Oh, hang on. Let's put a little aftershave on and do an irritation test. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, that smells so good. Fine, just fine, no irritation. That is Vor V from Holy Call. I can't remember all the scent notes to it. I know it's got tobacco. I seen tobacco, so I bought it. But anyway, yeah, guys, that's all I got. I appreciate everybody for joining. Happy Sunday, and we will see you all right back here next week. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and remember to follow me across all social medias.